Hello, Orthodox Techie viewers. So today we are going to explore something into animation. So animation is an interesting topic. It's a vast topic actually, but we can learn step by step. Let's put baby steps to learn the animation. The tool I am using to create an animation is Blender. So if you want, you can download it from Google. So yeah, let's start. Let's click this. So this is a default scene we are seeing when we open the Blender. So let me clear this scene. Click A to select all, then X to delete. So let me add Shift A. Here I have seen lot of options here. First, today our task is to create an ocean using the Blender. So to create an ocean, first we need a mesh. I'm selecting a mesh. In this mesh, we are seeing a lot of shapes here: plane, cube, circle, sphere, icosphere, cylinder, cone, and torus. I am clicking the plane. Simply plane. So this is just a plane. We can see it in a 3D. So this is just a plane. We are going to turn this plane into an ocean like thing. Okay. To change this into an ocean, we need to apply modifiers to it. So let's see where the modifiers are. So in this right side pane, we can see a lot of options here. Particularly, there is an option here like a spanner, and this is called modifier properties. When I click this modifier properties, it shows like add modifier. So I click this add modifier. There are options here. There is an option called ocean here. Let me add this ocean. Click it now. The plane is changed like this. Okay, but still it doesn't look like an ocean, right? So we need to change a lot of properties here to make this looks like an real ocean. So to do that, let me change this resolution to 15. Now this resolution looks a bit smooth. Okay, so this is called choppiness. When I try to increase the choppiness, it shows some sharp edges here, but let's leave the choppiness to 1 right now. Okay, and here it is scale. Let me set the scale to 2 right now, and let me change the wind velocity option to 10. Now it's look little bit like an ocean. Okay, let me add a camera to the scene. Click Shift A and select camera, and give this move option to get a arrow marks. Rotate it by clicking R. So when we click 0, we can see the camera viewport like this. So we have set our scene right now. So what we need to do is animate this ocean. Okay, now let me set the time. Insert keyframe. When I click the insert keyframe, it sets a keyframe in this timeline. Now I'll go to the end and change this time to 30. Now when I play this, let me set this to blue. And if you try to click Shift Z, we can see the rendered version here. So this does an ocean's rendered version. So we need to change some settings here. In the surface, click and choose glossy BSDF and change the color to blue, and also reduce the roughness so that the ocean can reflect. Okay, let me add a light. Okay, after adding this too, the scene is still dull. So we have done our part to the plane. Now let me change the settings to the world. Okay, now I'm going to the world settings, and under the color tab, let me give environment texture and open. If you have downloaded Blender 2.82, in the program files you can see Blender Foundation, Blender 2.82, and in the data files you can see Studio Lights, and in that there is a folder called World. So I'm choosing sunrise here for environment texture and open image. Okay, when I try to open this image, you can see how this ocean is reflecting based on the environment. Play this animation. It's slowly ocean like animation. So that's how we create ocean using Blender. So let's see the next in another episode. Until then, this is Orthodox Techie signing off.